Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to harvest my spring cabbage here. And before we harvest it, I'm going to give you some important clues to look for before you harvest it, as far as size and firmness and everything. And I thought I would bring you along. The ideal time to harvest cabbage is approximately 2 to 3 months after planting. You want to look for a firm head like this one that is anywhere from 6 to 8 inches across. If you harvest too soon, the cabbage will not be firm and will not taste as good as it should. You want to, when you do get ready to harvest the cabbage, you want to use some sharp cutting shears or a knife, such as this, shears such as this, and you want to cut approximately an inch above the base of the plant. I'm sorry, the base of the cabbage. Like this. So we'll put this one over here. And then this one, I'm also going to cut. And we're going to do the same process. Take my shears. Just look for it. Just like that. When you process the cabbage or clean it up, you want to make sure that you wash it or rinse it rather under cold water to rinse off any debris or anything like that, unwanted stuff. And you can remove the leaves that you are not going to eat. So these larger leaves here, I'm not really going to do anything with them, so I'm going to remove them once I get in the house. You can wash the head of the cabbage and then wrap it either in plastic or paper towels, and it'll store up to 2 weeks in your refrigerator. You can also cut the cabbage up and blanch it and then put it in freezer bags or vacuum seal it, and it will last longer in your freezer. The reason you want to blanch it is so that it stays it keeps its natural color, and it will, as I said, last longer. This remaining head of cabbage, now that the larger one is not crowding it out, I'm going to allow to see if leave it here and allow it to see if it will form a head. If not, we'll go ahead and remove it, and we'll use this space for something else to plant. So here is the final harvest after the cabbage has been cleaned up. I'm happy with it. They look good, and these will be cooked on Sunday. Don't know how I'm going to cook them, but they will be cooked on Sunday. I hope you enjoyed the video. You got something out of it, brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. Don't forget to leave me a comment and hit the like button for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food and vegetables for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. In addition, chances are If you like my video, your family and friends will also, so you can share it. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.